Kill me. Hi, my name is Tom. Who are you? Hey, hello. Hello. Ground turkey.
Oh, is it ground? Mm-hmm. That's why it's not like turkey meat.
So you make meatloaf for ground meat. Good morning, Philippines!
I'm hungry, guys. And then eat lunch.
Filming.
Eat lunch. This is what happens when we do eat lunch. Can you put him down?
I can't. He likes it.
And I'm gonna keep eating, not
Alright, Hobbs, your last two.
Let's drop something here. Oh, come here, Hobbs. Come here. You pick a bad cucumber.
Why?
It's watery and moist already.
It's good watery moist.
I don't like the cheese. Here, you wanna eat it?
Swiss cheese got a funny taste.
I don't see you do it. Okay, can you ask your question?
I said, you said everything's hurting you. I said, is your face hurting?
No, why?
Killing me. That's an old joke, huh? That's an old joke, huh?
No, you know.
My father used to pull that joke on me all the time. Here, I got a secret. Wait, I got a secret. Roxy can't hear it.
That hurts, huh? This is Jesus. Oh no, not my screen. Come here. Take the olive, not the olive, hun. It makes me sweaty, hun. Kami said he need to get this thing. It's organic. Seriously, hun, you never an organic person, and then you decide to get this.
No, because I don't want to pay twice the money for it. No, I don't want. But for an extra 50 cents for organic, okay. Well, sometimes you go to a place and it's like twice as much money for organic. I can't wait.
Luto tayo, guys, kahit hindi tayo okay. Kahit hindi okay yung pakiramdam. Kasi kapag wala tayong gagawin, mas parang lumala yung sakit natin kapag wala tayong ginagawa. So kahit masakit yung katawan natin, dyan, lahat-lahat na. Hala, luto pa rin. Oh, he can call me a liar, right? But don't be a pig. That's when you be a pig. I call him a pig all the time because he's a pig. Every
It's really
time.
not nice to call him a pig. He's my little man. And we love you just the way you are.
This is the way you pig. Hello, boy. Not everything. Hello, man. What did you do?
I need it for myself. Yes.
What is that for? For the bird? Yeah.
Yeah, man, I know you want something, but you can't have nothing because it's too close to dinner. He said, I am your favorite man. He said, don't forget me, I am your favorite. the
I don't
favorite.
say that.
Tell your mama, say, I am the favorite.
I don't say that. What
I
is
mean,
my
anything
favorite?
I do is okay because I am the favorite.
What is my favorite?
Nope.
Where is she, Han?
That's right. Favorite. Hobbs, favorite. Hi, my name is Tom. Who are you? Hey, hello. Hello. I'm talking. My wife said talk. I'm like a puppet. I am now talking. Is that right?
Explain.
I'm peeling garlic
Keep doing it.
for fettuccine alfredo.
For what?
For fettuccine alfredo, because we like garlic in everything.
He is very Italian, guys.
Garlic makes everything better.
He's very
It
Italian.
smells so nice. Yeah, smell. Smell.
Smell, guys.
You smell.
Yeah, I know. You guys smell it, guys? He's so lazy, guys, cutting the garlic, peeling garlic, guys. He's looking for
I buy peeled garlic. That's what I buy. Because I like it better that way.
But I use it all.
Like my wife who said she don't like peeled garlic, but she uses it all. And leaves me the one that's not peeled.
You know what, Han? If I don't use it, if I don't use it, honey, that's already moldy, okay? Be lucky. I'm not like you. You buy and then be moldy and throughout and wasting money, okay? And my father's birthday is January and he changed it to September.
How do you do that?
September 16.
How can you do that?
Because his family said that his real birthday is January. So he kept doing January thing, 29.
And they lied to us.
No, that's his birthday really, but his birth certificate is September 16, so he's gonna follow the birth
How can your
certificate.
birth certificate be different?
Because the old days, you know, my name, remember, Maryann Montak Motos? Everything is misspelled. All my names is misspelled.
And they didn't know what day it was, what month it was? Really?
It's house. It's a midwife, honey. Born in the house.
We're overwhelming garlic. We're gonna do overwhelming garlic. Make everything tastier. Cut the garlic really thin, get all the juice out of it. Too small, then you gotta hold it with 2 fingers, and you cut your finger off. Then you got a nice red, bloody red in the sauce. That's good.
Do you need help, Han?
Nope.
You sure? You're struggling, Han.
Yeah, I'm so struggling.
And he is boiling, guys, because he is planning to make this kind of pasta that we never really usually use.
Cheese.
Yeah, we never really use this kind of pasta, but I don't know, for some reason he got it because he feel like having this.
I feel like having fettuccine.
It's boiling water. We don't. Oh, look at over there. You see?
Supposed to have fresh basil, but I don't know.
Oh, we don't have fresh basil.
We don't have fresh basil.
How are you? Which one you're gonna use? The creamy?
I got basil already.
I don't know. Bertolli can thingy?
Garlic.
Huh?
That's the garlic one?
Yeah, Alfredo garlic. Eating, guys, is Italian food because wife is not feeling good.
They shouldn't be playing with the camera.
Huh?
They should be lying down, not playing camera.
Well, I don't have a vlog. I vlog my husband. Keep talking, Han. It's your vlog. Okay, Tommy's vlog for today. He's talking. I vlog him. Okay, he has a
I got these
cameraman.
little carrots because you didn't like these. So I got you little ones. Instead of those tiny ones. When you said tiny ones, I got you tiny ones.
He has a cameraman. I'm his cameraman, and this is his vlog. Okay, guys?
This funny shit just naturally comes out of me. Just who I am.
Oh my god, the funny shit.
If everything serious comes out of you, you might as well shoot yourself in the head. Now you want to talk to me, you're going to have to follow me outside because I'm going to put that on low, this on high, have a cigarette. But puppies have to stay inside.
Nuh-uh. You don't eat your break. They don't eat their dinner.
Guys, you want canned food? Get chili. Okay. Hormel or stag chili. Really good.
Look at them, not me.
Look at camera. I don't have to look at the camera.
What is your recommendation
It's really
canned
hot
food? Yeah, what is your recommendation canned food?
canned food, Hormel chili or stag chili.
It's a spicy chili, right?
You get the vegetarian one, which has no chopped meat in it. You get the regular
What's
one.
in there if it's no chopped meat?
Just beans.
Just beans? And have a taste in it?
Sauce.
Iniwan ni Mr. yung ano niya. Garlic. Maiitim na ito ba? Pagbalik niya. Hindi pa nagbukal-bukal. Okay. Explain.
Explain, Lucy. We're cooking fettuccine in here. After it's done in here, we need to put it in there. Then it has the garlic and butter and oil. But first, it has to be boiled, so it's nice. Some garlic, uncooked, and then you heat it up so it's nice. Get the flavor out of it. Put a little basil. It's supposed to be fresh basil, but I don't have fresh basil, so I have to use dry basil.
You put
Now I shut it off so it doesn't burn while I was waiting for this.
7 minutes. Did you put a timer?
No, because it didn't start boiling yet.
What is your nationality? I mean your blood, okay? Because people ask me what do you
My
look.
blood is red. Unlike my wife, whose blood is purple.
Are you Italian or are you Greek? Are you Puerto Rican? Are you what?
Hoopah! Part Italian, part Puerto Rican, and part insane.
Huh?
And part insane.
Insane?
Insane.
Hanba.
Hanba. Hoopah. Hoopah.
Han, what is insane?
Really? You don't know what I'm saying?
Yeah, right.
Are you not a world traveler?
What is it?
Crazy. Crazy.
I know, but your blood, Han. I mean, I'm serious here.
Crazy blood.
No, my God, you are crazy.
See? That's what I'm saying. Sure. I made this sauce from scratch. Went to the store and made this in the store.
So you mix it there? Han, took.
I'll put it in with the garlic and the butter and the oil.
Sinsya na guys, yung vent is on because the water is boiling and it's not good for our cabinets.
Little spicy, little bite. Little spice. You ever see the movie Alien? Where the guy is lying there and then the alien comes flying out of his stomach? That's my wife this morning.
And he is planning to add pepper, guys. Black pepper. And basil you did?
Yeah, a little parsley.
You want me to pick some parsley now?
Yeah.
Ay, kawawa naman itong parsley ni Tami, ay. Kawawang parsley.
Usually put this on after you put it in the plate, but hey. Oh, we have salt here.
Gusto niya akong mag-try. Is it hot?
It'll be a little bit hot. Of course, you could drop it on the floor. Are we taking that sausage? Oh, yeah.
That's
Cut it into little pieces.
That's not a sausage.
That's sausage.
Kaysa day ha.
Cut it into little pieces. And we sprinkle
Ako, nag-film pa si Tami. It's a sausage breakfast, right?
breakfast sausage.
You add what?
Some grated cheese.
Grated cheese. This is Tami salad, arugula that I don't like. This is the salad. And another salad. How many salads? And this is same. And this is the meatloaf. Turkey meatloaf. Hopefully it's good. Sabi pa ng sister ko guys, drink soda for my stomach. Because maybe some food are not really. Make sure your water is okay. Still cold?
Yep. still ice.
Is this real turkey, honey? Or meat? It tastes okay, but the meat is kind of weird.
Ground turkey.
Is it ground? That's why it's not like turkey meat.
So you make meatloaf for ground meat.
Ah, now I understand. Why you kind of like have that groundy looking thing. Now I understand. But it's good, hun. Is this what in the kab eat, guys? The arugula. Do you remember that she keep eating those leaves when she's mukbanging? Thank you so much for the cooperating the video for today.
Tonight.
And we're gonna end
It's very red in that camera.
Yeah, it's red. We're gonna end this vlog.
Your white balance out of whack or something.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah,
Bye, guys.
bye. Good night. I'm going to edit upstairs. So guys, we're gonna end. My camera is acting up. We will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.
Good night. Hala, hala. Roxy!
Knock it off.
Roxy! Ang ingay ng mga motorcycle. Anyway guys, punta na tayo sa taas. Mag-edit. Bye guys!